Hello from gardening at Dwensa here in Ireland. And in May, myself and Dimitri made a visit to the fantastic Patthana Garden in County Wicklow, Ireland. Now this garden is a small masterpiece designed so carefully and so exquisitely by the fantastic TJ Marr. Come along with us and have a look at what we find there. The first port of call on any visit to TJ Marr's Patthana Garden is his fantastic 5-star potting shed. Now take a look at this, guys. Oh my God, look at that fantastic stone walling. And the tools. Wow, did anybody keep their tools so immaculately before? I think not. And there are lots of pelargoniums. Hybrids mostly, but some species too, and all so beautifully displayed. We even spotted something a bit interesting. Take a look on this shelf here. It's the business card of Liga from Potted Jewels, whose channel I'm sure you know very well. Now we've stepped outside of the potting shed, although I did want to spend a very long time in there, and we're having a look at the bottom part of the garden. Over here was a little friend waiting to meet us. Isn't he so cute? And I can tell you, he really loved Dimitri's shoes. Some shady planting down here. And look at the little detail touches there are scattered through this garden. Just so much thought has gone into it. Again, these magnificent walls and pot displays. Oh my goodness, TJ has so many annuals that he so tastefully displays. And that brings us over here to the steps that lead to the upper part of the garden, and I think it's probably about time for me to take the plunge and climb those steps and see what delights await upstairs. Here I go. Beautifully clipped box balls and an immaculate lawn. Now this vista was something of a surprise to me because I had last visited this garden in autumn, and I came away with the impression that the garden had been all geared up for autumn with lots of pretty persicaria and other plants like that. But now, looking around in early summer, it really looks like it's been geared up just for that, for early summer. Loved that green astrantia there, beautiful thing. And my eye kept coming back to that seat there, just the perfect place to sit and contemplate the garden. And there's somebody doing it. Astilboides looking fabulous and large this year. And some more little touches of detail. It really is a garden to look around and revel in the detail. Aquiledias looking fabulous too. And some more pot displays. And the yellow of this plant was just amazing. I think it's a diacia, but I'm not sure. Really just so gorgeous. And here we are looking back, and that's TJ down there who declined to star in the video, but you can see how generous he is with his time talking to gardeners who visit. And that was me kneeling down to take a photograph. Some blue anschluss there and a few irises. And that kind of brings me to the end of this mini visit to Patthana Garden. You have to check it out yourself if you're ever in Wicklow. I hope you'll check out Liga's Potted Jewels channel to see loads of those glorious pelargoniums, and also Dimitri's Green Nerd channel. Bye!